Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken carbonara. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready, including chicken, pasta, eggs, and cheese. Begin by cooking 8 ounces of your preferred pasta, such as spaghetti or fettuccine, until it's perfectly al dente. While the pasta cooks, dice about 6 ounces of chicken breast into small, uniform pieces, preparing it for the next step. Next, in a large skillet, sauté your diced chicken pieces over medium heat until they are beautifully golden brown and fully cooked. While the chicken finishes, prepare your creamy carbonara sauce. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs with about 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget to add 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to this mixture for a delightful flavor. Now it's time to bring everything together. Drain your cooked pasta, but be sure to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy cooking water. It's crucial for the sauce. Immediately add the hot pasta and the cooked chicken to your egg and cheese mixture. Stir everything vigorously and continuously. The heat from the pasta will cook the eggs gently, creating a rich, creamy sauce. Add a little reserved pasta water as needed to achieve your desired consistency. Your delicious chicken carbonara is now ready to be served. Dish it out immediately, perhaps with a little extra grated Parmesan cheese on top for good measure. A sprinkle of fresh parsley makes a lovely garnish, adding both color and a hint of freshness to your meal. Enjoy this comforting and flavorful dish. Also, for some great deals and that car air freshener link, make sure to check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.